In this video, I'll show you how to create a paper cutout effect in Canva. This effect makes your image look like it was cut out from real paper. And the best part is that it's very easy to create. So let's get started. All right, first, add the image that you want to apply the effect to. I'll pick an image from the elements, but you can also upload your own photo if you want to use a personal image. Once the image is added, make it a little bigger so it fits nicely on the canvas. After that, crop the image and remove any part that you don't want to keep. Next, remove the background from the image so that we only keep the main subject. This will help create a clean paper cutout look later. Now go back to the elements and search for paper. Add a paper texture image to the canvas. By the way, you can use any background you like, but a paper texture usually works best for this effect. After adding the paper image, make it bigger so it covers the entire canvas. Then right-click on it and choose Send Backward so it moves behind the main image. Once everything looks good, click on Share and download the design as an image. After downloading it, delete everything from the canvas and then upload the image you just downloaded. Now here comes the main part where we create the paper cutout shape. To do this, we need to install a free Canva app. Go to Apps, search for Choppy Crop, and click on it to install. Once the app opens, you'll see this interface. Make sure the polygonal option is selected. Then click on Start Cropping. Now start placing cropping points around the image to create a rough paper cutout shape. Continue adding points around the edges until the entire area is selected. If needed, you can also adjust the points to refine the shape and make it look more natural. When you're happy with the selection, click Apply Crop, and your image will instantly be cropped into a paper cutout style. Let me quickly add a background behind it so you can see the final effect more clearly. And as you can see, the paper cutout effect looks really clean and creative. And that's how you can create a paper cutout effect in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.